So I'm going to show you how to style barrel jeans. These have become increasingly popular. I find them so flattering. They're not very popular with, I don't know, some people just don't like them. I'm in love with them. I think they're very, very stylish. I bought myself a pair and I'm keen to collect more barrel jeans. I love the shape of the jeans. I also love that most jeans almost sit at the ankles. I'm going to show you ways I style it. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is a casual outfit and I've styled it as though I'm going out during the summer. If I'm going on holiday, places like Spain, just more beach aesthetic. I've paired it with a fringe bag, and I bought this when I was in Marbella. I also have this crochet top, and this was crocheted by my sister. She owns a crochet business and she crocheted this one especially for me for my birthday, but that was ages ago. But I thought it'd be a nice way to pair it with these jeans. I'll show you my shoes in a minute and then I'll go on to my jewellery. So I've paired them with these like Dior inspired slippers. I bought them off TikTok shop and I'll leave a link in my description. I think this just screams summer. I feel I'm ready to play. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm ready for cocktails, all that good jazz. The shape of the pants are just perfect. I think the way it shapes around my bum too is perfect, and that's what I look for in a perfect pair of jeans. I am 5'2". Sorry, I am 5 foot, which is 152 centimeters, 1.52 meters tall. So it's funny how this jeans, like TK Maxx isn't even the size 8. And I just happened to see them in the small section on the rack and try them on, and they were perfect. I love the color too. In here, jewelry. I've got on these bangles that I bought from Shein. They sell them individually, but they come in like a pair. And then I have these sort of bracelets that I bought when I was in Spain, Marbella. I got these ear cuffs from Shein as well, and I've also got some ear cuffs there too. I think it just complements the look nicely. It's casual, it's playful, it's fun, but it's very stylish as well. So yeah, what do you guys think? Okay guys, this one's a more dressy uptake on the barrel jeans. So I've paired it with a crop. I've got this knit top inside, and I can take it off as and when. But I think this is perfect for more serious dinners with your friends. If you're going for a birthday dinner, not so quite. I'd say you could do brunch as well. I've paired it with my Zorno bag. And I've also paired it with these mules from River Island here. I'll just show you my shoes, and they're just perfect for the look. What do you guys think of this outfit and this look? So guys, this one's more work related. This is what I would wear to work if I was wearing the barrel jeans. I've just paired it with these sort of lace ballet style flats that I bought from Reserved, and then I've got my bag as well, and I've got my blazer that you've seen before. I've paired it with a khaki inner long sleeve shirt. So again, because it's work, and if you sort of dress down, or if you want a corporate casual, this is like a corporate casual, but also inserting your fashion and your style into the outfit. It's super duper comfortable. It complements the barrel jeans perfectly. What do you guys think? I think this is amazing. I absolutely love it. And You could focus on minimal jewelry and just style it any way you want to. I think it doesn't need that much heavy lifting. I think it's a statement on its own. So yeah, what do you guys think? I absolutely love it. It'll be good to hear your feedback and your comments. Anywho, I hope you've liked the outfits in this video. Give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below if you want more fashion videos.